Hi, I'm Mira from Flow with Mira. Today we will be doing 5 Pilates arm and chest strengthening exercises. You can do these exercises on top of a workout as a booster or repeat these exercises 3 times as a full arm and chest workout. Alright, let's begin the class. We will be doing about 10 repetitions per exercise. Exercise number 1 is our scapular push-up. So we get ourselves into a quadruped position. Align the shoulders and the heel of the palm, knee and the center of your hip. Push the floor away, nice long spine, draw in the abdominal. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop the chest down, bringing the scapula towards each other. And then exhale, we push away. Inhale, drop the scapula to each other. Exhale, we push out. And an in-breath, exhale, and 4 here, exhale. Make sure that you don't hang that lower spine. Hold the belly in, keeping the spine nice and long. Exhale. 4 more times. In breath. Exhale. 3. Push out. 2 more. Press out. Last one. And push out. Okay, number 2 is our tricep push up here. You can do in a modified position in quadruped like so. So we inhale, we can bend the elbows towards the thigh and then bring the chest towards the floor. Keep the scapula apart. Exhale, we push everything up. So this is a modified version. Exhale, we push out. If this is doable for you, perhaps you want to do or try the full version. So we extend the legs out into a front support position, and then we go ahead and descend ourselves down, and then we press out. And we go down, and then press up. So you choose a version that is suitable for you today. And down, we press. We go down, we press. 2 more, I think. We press. Last one. We press hold. Bring one knee in. Second one in. Right, number 3 is our front support. So go ahead and extend the legs out again. Right, take the right knee in and then extend it out. Left knee in, extend it out. We exhale, inhale out. Exhale, exhale. Exhale. You can also rotate the knee to the opposite arm. Rotate, opposite arm. Just a little variation. It will tap into your obliques more. You can either go forward and then back or rotate it. And then back. 2 more sets. Exhale. Exhale. Last set. Exhale. Exhale, we stay. Hold the front support position. Number 4 is leg pull front. Point to right foot. Lift and down. 2, 3, 10 of this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We switch and point and lift. And 2, and 3. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release. 1 knee in, second in, and last exercise is our tricep push-up in the back support position. So bend the knees. Okay, so have your feet about hip width distance apart. Press up the pelvis to a table position. Now we're going to bend the elbows and lower the pelvis at the same time. Then we push up. We bend and lower. Push, 2, and bend and lower. 3, down. 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. We push up and we release. Well done. All right, that was 5 exercises for the arm and chest strengthening workout. Repeat 2 more times for a full workout. Have about 1 minute rest and then rewind the video and start all over again. Congratulations on completing the class. Well done. I'm Mira and I'm here to help you to look and feel your absolute best through Pilates. If you enjoyed this video, you will love my free Better Postures in 5 Days program. Click the first link in the comments and sign up. I will instantly send you a daily email with a 15 to 20 minute workout each day. This workout will work your whole body to help open, stretch, and strengthen your posture. Your spine and body will love you. Don't forget to like and comment with any question you may have about Pilates. Subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any of my free Pilates video. See you in the next class.